This is a new way to see who's brushed their teeth this morning. Olivia is the only one that brushed her teeth, so I know to go tell the other boys to brush their teeth. So we don't have water this morning, and the water is off, and before Joel turns it on, I thought, I know the kids are going to be up and getting ready, so I'm going to fill each of their little cups up with water, and I told them, dip your toothbrush in the water, put your toothpaste on, brush your teeth. Oh, that's why it's all in the sink. I was like, I tell them to rinse their sink. So they spit in the sink, and then use whatever's in your cup, rinse your mouth, rinse your mouth first, spit it out, rinse your toothbrush in the remaining water, and then rinse the rest of that water down the sink. Good. Isn't that the cutest little container? They have ones with different sizes of cups, so they have one with like 1 cup holder, 2 cup holder, 3 cup holder, 4 cup holder. So I'll link this in the description because it's been super handy for us. The kids love it. I don't know who made this sign, but thank you. Do not flush toilet. Good job. So this thing is full of pee. No wonder the lid is down. Joel did say if it's yellow, leave it mellow. Is that what he said? If it's brown, flush it down. So you get 1 flush with this thing. Hopefully there's no turds in there. The water will be on momentarily. How did the cream of wheat turn out? Cody wanted to help make it, so he basically made your breakfast. So if you say thank you to anyone, tell Cody thank you. What? No thank yous? Thank you, Cody. Typically I don't have water in the fridge either, but last night I put water in the fridge so that I could wake up and make the kids oatmeal. And you never really understand how dry things feel without water. It's like as soon as I'm done with the pan, I always rinse it out before I wash it so that it's not like crusty. Like this thing is going to be so crusty. I am going to use the fridge and the water to fill that up. And then we had like a little bit of like overflow of cream of wheat, and it's just like crusty with no water. How have you guys realized that you need water this morning while getting ready?
Flushing the toilets.
Yeah.
Our bathroom stinks once again. First it was the boys not flushing their poop.
Oh.
Now it's just can't flush at all.
Yeah, it's kind of a hazard. Sorry, guys. I think we should all vote how cool Boston's necklace is. It's a soccer necklace and bracelet.
In school, we're doing a vote that if the school gets the most votes that they like it, then we're gonna start doing teriyaki chicken, and we got free samples for him. It tastes just like Dad, so right away I voted. I liked it.
Oh man, I don't have my camera out here. Boston, you are the most handsome. Get your shoe tied so you're ready for school. Get your backpack on. But his outfit is so handsome. He looks so cool. Bossy? Why do you look so grown up and cool? Look at that handsome boy. My goodness.
I have to wear purple.
Okay, we'll find you something. Maybe you can wear those pants. We got the kids off to school, but it was a very special morning with the kids. We talked about how grateful we are that we live in a place where we have running water at all times and how comfortable we are. And we talked about how grateful we are for the people that fought for our freedoms and our comfort, our ancestors that came before us. The work that they did created a life for us, and we continue to make a life for ourselves and for our futures. And I just told the kids how smart I thought they were and how alert they need to be in life, and just how grateful we need to be to God and to our ancestors. And we live comfortable lives, and it came at a price somewhere, somehow. Quick change of pace. Am I the only one that loses super glue? I buy super glue like it's candy, and anytime I go to use it, it's gone, and I keep it up here so it's away from the kids. This is like my junk drawer with like so much stuff in it, and holy moly, where's the super glue? Lincoln's convinced that the super glue is somewhere in the boys' room. It's like I clean it, but it just never really stays clean, you know what I mean? Lincoln, where did you say you found it? Oh, well. What do we have here? Clear nail polish. Not sure where they found that. Okay, that's mine. Well, here's another beauty blender. This is actually a fairly new beauty blender. I do not know why they would have this. I'm taking this, washing it with soap. Lincoln, where did you say you found their super glue?
Somewhere in here.
You climb up on the bed and look. Up there, because that
Is where Cody always has.
that up there frightens. Oh, Lincoln! Oh, you found it. Thank you. It's like, it terrifies me. What is he making down here? What are the boys doing with the super glue that would record, you know what I mean? Like, are they doing it over the carpet? Are they super gluing each other's fingers? It's like, what the heck? What is even happening in this room when I'm not here? Lincoln's my helper this morning, and he's gonna he's gonna get all the clean clothes out of the dryer. He's gonna bring them out to the family room. And when the kids get home, they're gonna help sort, fold, and put away, because I want them learning how to do these things and doing them well. When I was down here earlier, and I usually take an inventory, like, do they need toilet paper? Are they low on soap? And I've been making them finish off their shampoo and conditioner. I didn't really enjoy these shampoos and conditioners, but I was like, we are using every last drop, and then we'll get out more stuff. And I always keep more in our cold room. And so I finally, these are like empty, and so I'm refilling their shower with new shampoo and conditioner. I used to, when they were little, they all used, I'm trying to open this one-handed, they all used whatever I used. And then they started like using, oh my gosh, how do you open this? Literally, while I try to open this, I had to explain to Lincoln the importance of not getting in the dryer and how it's very dangerous, and he just did not believe me. He's like, I don't think so. I'm like, believe me, it's dangerous, don't ever do it. I think this is broke. No! When I tell you that I stock up, I stock up. So instead of doing this set, because the other lid is broke, I am going to put, this one is a color check. So it's like for colored hair, it's not going to hurt the kids' hair, but it's fine. So I'm gonna put this in their shower. Here's why I get these ones. There are several different reasons. So they're small, and I don't like big shampoo and conditioners because my kids like drop them, the lids break, like they pour half of it out in the bathtub. And it has a pump. I love that it has a pump so the kids never have to pick it up. I put it on the lower level so the little kids can get to it. Shorter kids, I should say. And I always tell them just one pump of each. That's all you need. No more than one pump each. So I can control it that way. And they are $7 a piece. And it's really good. Like, I like it for the kids. Because, look at Mama. I love taking care of the kids' hair, and when I use not good shampoo and conditioner on the kids, their hair gets really like, feels like hay. It gets really dry, and it just doesn't feel good. Plus, we use a ton of product in the kids' hair, and so I need stuff that helps them not get built up. Sorry, honey. I don't want their hair to get built up. So I'll link those in the description for you. Yeah, they're only $7 a piece, and it's really good for the kids' hair, so it's a win-win. I'm gonna put you back where you go, stuff you back in the stuff everything closet, and I'm going to put you in your rightful owner right next to your wash. I need to wipe out the things apparently. See, filming helps me do these things. It's like, you know, maybe I should redo that clip and clean that drawer out first, but no. And also, am I the only one that keeps a needle to separate their eyelashes sometimes? Oh my gosh, that's dangerous. Heck yeah, it's dangerous. I shouldn't do it, but that's what I do. I've done it since I was like 10. Okay, anyway, If you have not purchased the original Beauty Blender, I'm sorry, but you're missing out. I'm going to put a link in the description. I couldn't do my makeup if I didn't have this, and I wash it probably once a week. You know, whatever. You need it. Should I tell you everything else that you need? I'll just link all of these goodies in the description because literally I couldn't live without my lash serum, and I couldn't live without these drawer organizers or this friggin' toothbrush. Okay, bye. Guys, I got sidetracked. This is very, very important. In my cold storage, I keep everything stocked up that I know that I go through all the time. This is the volume conditioner. So I need to buy a shampoo because the shampoo is broke. Like if this isn't the jankiest like to-do list and grocery list, whatever. Okay, so I'm going to write shampoo, and then I'm going to replace the one that I just took out of the storage unit. So then I'm going to write shampoo and conditioner so that I keep stocked up, and then the next time I go through it, I just write it on the list again. I feel like this is like a very fun part of my day. Like I love cycling through things, making sure that I'm stocked up down in my cold room, because it's like mornings like this. Like I love that it's already stocked, and now I just write it on the grocery list. It's not like, oh, I have to get conditioner today because the kids don't have conditioner. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know. This brings me joy. Oh, also, not only do we have a junk cupboard, we also have a junk drawer. So maybe I should do something about that, but probably not. Can you come sit down?
And after I'll show you the picture.
Now, read loud so they can hear you.
Matt meets Sid. Sid sees Matt. And Matt sees Sid.
He wants you to be able to see the pictures too. Good job. You're a really good reader.
Is Matt...
It's okay. Start over.
Is Sid mad at Matt?
Why did you groan when I turned the camera off?
I want them to see the next one.
Do you want to read them the whole story? All right. If they don't want to hear, I guess they can skip. Read them one more page.
Matt sat.
Oh, you got to read louder though so they can hear you.
Matt sat. Is Matt mad at me? Is me.
So if there's an exclamation, how should you read it?
It is me.
And if it's a question, how do you read it?
Me. Sid.
See me, Sid? What's gonna happen? Maybe we should read them the whole book. All right, let's just keep going and just see how this feels.
Sid sees Matt sit. See that Sid is mad at Matt.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
He has an idea.
Okay, there's an exclamation.
Apple. Sid, see this?
Sid, see this.
See me, Sid?
Okay, you gotta read so they can hear you.
See me, Sid? See me?
Is that how the mouse would sound? Okay, you're doing so great. Oh, you know, maybe it's a good thing we're reading this whole thing because things are getting really good. Like, really good around here. All right, let's see what happens.
Matt is on Sid. Sid sees that.
Usually the mama reads this part, but you're so good. Let's hear it.
What does Sid see?
What does Sid see?
An apple.
An apple. And Sid wants it. All right, go ahead.
Sid sees it.
Sid sees it.
Oh, he's happy that he's...
Mm-hmm.
Then it will get washed.
Is the mouse tricky? Oh, okay. Holy moly, it's a good thing that we're reading the rest of this.
Sid, Matt.
So how should you read it if there's an exclamation?
Sid, Matt.
Sid! Matt!
Matt is mad at Sid.
is Sid mad? What is
Who is mad now?
mad?
Mm-hmm.
The end.
I audibly laughed at this book.
Buzzer!
Lincoln literally, okay, he was struggling with the new sight words because those were new words. Apparently he's read this a few times. The kids read it to him when he goes to bed sometimes at night for me. And
Buzzer!
he knows every word to this book. And so I looked on the back, and I'm sorry, but
Shoo, fly guy!
I'm gonna have to get all of these
Shoo, fly guy.
because it was so funny.
Fly guy and the Frankenstein fly.
Okay, he can read Frankenfly, but
Frankenstein fly!
I'm literally going to order those, and I'm going to link them in the description because they're, okay, how old? You're in kindergarten, and this would be like, I would say a first or second grade reading level, but
Ride, fly guy, ride.
he likes them, and he's learning big words in there, so I seriously am just fine buying the series, and I'll let them stay in your room, and you can read them all. Look at him. Oh, this is so cute. I am literally
Flying.
making an Amazon order now. Today's letter at school is B. And so
Blue day!
you are wearing all blue, or some blue. Even blue socks. But how come we didn't do your hair?
No water.
We don't have any water. And if I put gel in my hands and I don't have water to wash it out, that's gonna be sticky. So we just said, let's not do hair today. He's fine with it. No one cares, huh? You look fly. You look like a fly guy.
No, I'm not.
Oh, do not jump on the furniture. Get down, little boy.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, thank you. No jumping on the furniture.
We're on the couch.
No, or on the couch. Just had to give him the look there for a second to tell him that I was serious about it.
Hi.
We are sitting down to a movie, and Lincoln wanted some Easter candy that I had left over. And do you want to know the reason I said yes? Is because I saw Ellie using these in her vlog the other day, and I completely forgot that I had them. And so I wanted to use them because I wanted to pick out like the fun colors. You see that up there on the TV stand? Those are for the kids, and you better believe I'm putting their after school like snack in there. It's not going to be candy, but they are just to die for, and I completely forgot that I had them. The last thing I'm going to say, since I've been such a chatty Cathy in this vlog, we have a restock in our robes. So we have this color, and then we have a green sage color. You have to go check it out. We have restocks on lots of new items. They're for pre-sale.
It looks gray, Mom.
No, it does not. It looks like Arctic blue.
It looks gray in the camera.
It does not.
Very
Okay.
cool, yeah.
You guys see that I literally live in this flippin' robe. If you have not gotten one, you are really missing out. Our other lounge clothes have restocked as well, so you guys will have to go check them out. If you don't know why we do not have running water, you have to watch yesterday's vlog. And if you want to know if we get our water turned back on, you're gonna have to watch tomorrow's vlog, because this is it, folks. I talked your ear off all morning, and that's what you get for the day, I guess, because our, 8 to 15, 20, there's really no minute quota that I have to meet, because I decide that on my own. So, it's just whatever it is. I mean, it could be 2 minutes, it could be, just whatever. But also, packages, thank you.